Hello, I am Dr. Nidhi Gupta. I am MD Dermatology. I have been practicing dermatology for last 15 years. Currently, I am working in Panchkula at my center, Dr. Gupta's Skin, Hair, Laser and Cosmetic Center. Today we'll talk about MNRF. MNRF is a new technology in the field of cosmetic dermatology. It's basically a combination of two already existing technologies, microneedling and radiofrequency. In microneedling, what we do, we create the microchannels in the skin which leads to the collagen induction and which leads to the skin tightening and rejuvenation effect. Now what we are doing in MNRF, we are joining the microneedling technique with radiofrequency. What is radiofrequency? It is the high energy alternating current which goes through the skin, and when it goes through the skin, it leads to the resistance, which leads to the heating up of the tissue, which leads to coagulation, which leads to the tightening effect. So in the MNRF, we get the benefit of both microneedling and radiofrequency. We are using this MNRF technique in a lot of indications like skin rejuvenation, skin glow, and acne scars, mostly atrophic scars, and in open pores, stretch marks. Also, we are using this technique in hyperhidrosis because it works on the eccrine glands and in reducing the seborrhea. So these all are the indications. The advantage of this technique is that it can be done safely on any kind of skin because it involves the radiofrequency, as it's not absorbed by the chromophore, so it's safe for all kind of skin. And also we have the insulated needles, and the radiofrequency goes only at the tip of the needle, so the epidermis is spared and we can do it almost all kinds of skin. Also this reduces the downtime of the patient, and the patients are nowadays busy, so downtime has to be reduced for the latest technologies. Earlier I was using the fractional CO2 laser. It was giving good results, but the problem is that there is a lot of downtime, and which I see in MNRF it has reduced a lot. In 1 or 2 days the patient is good to go for the work. Now we come to the contraindications. It's basically safe for all patients, but we need to just see about any local infection is there on the skin, any bacterial infection, any viral infection in those cases, or the patient is having any disease in which the commonerization can happen like psoriasis or vitiligo or lichen planus, or the patient is having the pacemaker. So there are few contraindications for this procedure. Otherwise this procedure can be done safely. I have been using MNRF machine for last 1 year from Derma India, and I have been using for various indications like superficial rejuvenation of the skin, all kind of resurfacing, for reducing the superficial wrinkles, and for mild laxity also it is working good. Also for acne scars, open pores, we are using it. When we are planning MNRF for a patient, first we explain everything, the protocol to the patient, that they'll be numbing, the skin will be numb, then we perform the procedure. Later on there will be erythema and some swelling for few hours to 1 to 2 days, and some sensitivity will be there for around 5 to 7 days. And if the patient is already taking some medication, we'll have to take care of that, the medication part. If the patient is on isotretinoin, it has to be stopped around 15 days before, and if is taking aspirin or any NSAIDs, that has to be stopped around 1 week to 10 days. And if the patient is applying topical retinoid or hydroquinone, that has to be stopped around 1 week before. And on the day of procedure, we prepare the patient, we take the informed consent, we take the pictures of the patient in the front and lateral aspect, then we apply the numbing cream to the patient, and after 45 minutes we prepare the patient and with betadine and normal saline, and then we start the procedure. Now we have planned the MNRF for this patient. This is a patient of acne scars. Already the informed consent we have taken and pictographs are done. And numbing cream we have applied. Now we are removing the numbing cream after around 45 minutes. You can focus on the scars. A lot of scars, macular rolling, all type of scars are there. Now we are cleaning the area with betadine. As an advantage of the MNRF, we don't need any protective eye goggles. We have planned for the acne area only, for the scar area, for the upper cheek, as this was the concern of the patient. We are cleaning with the normal saline to avoid any sort of irritation while we are doing the MNRF, as it involves the microneedling. Now the patient is ready. Now this is an MNRF machine from Derma India I've been using for last 1 year. Is the Premier Plus edition. Now the machine is giving us the two options, that is a micro needle RF we talked about, and additionally we have a fractional RF probe in this machine. By this we can deliver the RF superficially on the epidermis and superficial layer of dermis. That will lead to the micro peeling of the skin this helps us to improve the superficial textural improvements of the patient. So we can do it separately also, or we can add with the microneedling RF in case it's required. Now as we are proceeding for the microneedle RF for the patient, now we get the different options for the needle. This is 18, 25, 49 and 81. Now 18 is specifically for the stretch marks as we go linearly, and the others we can decide according to what area we are planning for the patient. If we are planning for full face or bigger area, we'll go for the 81, and for the smaller areas we can choose for 49 or 25. Now we have gone for the 25. We have to adjust the intensity. Intensity can go maximum up to 10, and we have the active pulse that goes from 10 to 900 milliseconds. For this patient, because since this is the first time we are going for the MNRF treatment and no other treatment the patient got earlier, around 120. Now what is important is the depth of the needle. We can adjust the depth of the needle according to the patient's skin and the indication. Now we have a male patient with acne scar, so we'll keep the length to 1.5, and if we are planning for the superficial rejuvenation of the face, we can keep the length to around 0.6 to 1. If we talk about the depth of the needle, it's very important, and this will decide according to what area of the face or the body we are treating and what indication we are going to deal with. If we are going for the superficial rejuvenation of the face, we'll take the length of the needle close to 0.6, and we can go till 1, or if the male patient we can go to 1.2 also. But now when we are doing the acne scars, we'll keep the length as 1.6. This machine has a feature of suction. Once I'll put the probe, it will suck the skin and the needles will go inside precisely for releasing the radio frequency. So I'll keep the pressure level 2 to make it more effective. It has two modes like bipolar and monopolar. Usually we use the bipolar mode, but if we want to intensify the effect, or after few sittings we can make it monopolar, we'll have to give this electrode in the patient's hand, the grounding plate. And now we'll start the procedure. In this manner we have started the machine. This is the probe. It has goes basically 4 steps while doing it. We'll just keep the probe perpendicular. Start कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? To the skin. If seen, automatically the needles will get inside the skin, they'll release the radio frequency energy, they will come out. So this works in 4 stages. There's not much erythema on the patient's face. Now we'll cover the area. We'll go from the central area to the peripheral area. We'll leave 1 to 2 mm in between. There'll be no overlapping. When we are doing the acne, we'll have to stretch the skin like this so that we can work on the base of the acne. We'll just keep putting it and taking off. Since I'm using the insulated needles, the RF is going only at the tip of the needle, that is just 0.3 mm. So the epidermis is safe and there are very less risk of PIH. Patient is having few open pores also, so the MNRF is going to work for that also. Immediately after MNRF, there will be some swelling and erythema over the face that will settle in few hours, usually 3 to 4 hours, and in 1 week there is improvement in the scar and the texture of the skin. And the long-term impact of MNRF, that is the collagen induction and the dermal tissue formation, that takes around 3 months. That continues with every sitting. I'll do the other side, just from the central area to the peripheral area. Basically, MNRF gives the effect by 3 mechanisms. Most important is by radio frequency, is cause the thermal injury inside, and then is the mechanical injury by the micro needling, and the third one is by bleeding, because we are inducing bleeding also in the micro channels that leads to the release of platelet, which release growth factors and cytokines, which lead to good wound healing and ultimately the improvement in the scar. The patient is very much comfortable. It's not very painful after the numbing cream, and just apply a gentle pressure. We'll do some cooling also with a cooling pad. We'll ask the patient to apply an anti-inflammatory cream 3 to 4 days. Avoid sun for 3 days. No major sun exposure. There should be no scrubbing, no mask, no sauna, and the female patient we asked her to avoid the makeup also for 2 days. And after 2 days he can start with regular moisturizer and sunscreen. The patient can wash the face but very gently. Patient can see few crustaceans also where the needle has pricked, and that will go off spontaneously after 4 to 5 days. We'll just ice the area. In case the patient is having more of bleeding, or you are doing multiple passes at different layers, in every pass we can adjust the needle depth and will decrease the intensity in active pulse, and multiple layer treatment will be there. So that will give more effect to the patient. And also we can add this fractional radio frequency if required in the patient. First the patient settled, then we can go for the fractional radio frequency. This we did the micro needling. Now I'm taking the fractional RF probe, and different sizes are here, like 3.3, 3 cross 5, and 5 cross 5 and 9 cross 9. So I have, the probe in my hand is 9 cross 9. So I've selected this. Now we can adjust the intensity according to the patient. Since we already done a procedure, we'll keep the settings like this, like 3 here, and active pulse will be 100, and we can start it. The interval time between the pulses I kept 1 second. It can go maximum to 3 seconds. I'll show you one shot. We'll just apply it on the surface, that's it, and we'll give a superficial shot. So this will work for the textural improvement of the skin. Patient may have some micro peeling of the skin as well. This we can do without numbing of the patient, and it works wonderfully for the glow. We are applying an antibiotic to the patient for the treated area. Is a newer modality which can be used for various indications, and the important point is there is a very less downtime. If we keep the needle length superficial, we can give a very good glow to the patient, and nowadays it's a very popular for the patients who are asking for glow. And also an acne scar, with less downtime I can improve the acne scars of the patient. Also I have tried this machine in the stretch marks also, and there are wonderful results in the stretch marks, and they have reduced considerably after 2 sittings from Derma India. And very much satisfied with the machine and getting good results in various indications, and acne scars, glow, stretch marks, open pores. And also I am doing trying this machine for hyperhidrosis and seborrhea. It's a good machine.